Hello, today we are making almond pesto using fresh basil from the garden. The ingredients required are basil that has been washed and dried, garlic, toasted almonds, lime juice, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. In a food processor or grinder, add in the fresh basil, your almonds and garlic. Give it a quick pulse. Scrape down the sides. Add your lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. Your olive oil. I'm adding only half at the moment. Give it a whiz and scrape down the sides. Add in your remaining olive oil and the cheese. Blend and ensure it all comes together. The almond basil pesto is now ready. You can use pistas in place of almonds and it works just as well. Subscribe to Trusty Crust for more recipes.